Hi everyone, it is Sri Devi, Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about Eclipse in satellite communication. On completion of this module, the students will be able to understand the occurrence of eclipse, and they can also define sub-satellite point. Also, the completion of this topic, the learners can able to identify and understand the effects of sun transit outstages. First, we'd like to learn what is eclipse. It occurs when Earth's plane coincides with the plane of Earth's orbit around the Sun. Near the time of spring and some different stages of equator, the satellite passes into Sun's shadow. This happens for some duration of time every day. The eclipse began 22 days before the equinox and at the end 23 days after equinox. They last for almost 10 minutes at the beginning of the equinox and increase the maximum of 72 minutes at the full value. A satellite will have the eclipse duration symmetric around the time that T is equal to satellite longitude divided by 15 plus 12 hours. A satellite at Greenwich longitude 0 will have the eclipse duration symmetric and it around 0 bar 15 UTC plus 12 hours is equal to 0 and 0 UTC, where UTC stands for Coordinated Universal Time. The eclipse will happen at night, but for satellites in the east it will happen at the late evening of local time. An Earth-cast eclipse will not normally happen during peak viewing hours if the satellite is located near the longitude of the coverage area. A satellite west of Earth station enters eclipse during the night hours, and we can see a satellite east of the Earth station enters eclipse during the night. East of Earth station enters eclipse during the daylight busy hours at the Earth station. So, listening to this diagram, it represents the satellite west of North Station ASI and geostationary orbit Sun's rays, and satellite east of S station ES. Eclipse region is noted as the shaded point, and satellite point is noted like this. Satellite point is the point at which a line between the satellite and the center of the Earth inserts the Earth's surface. If one is in the US, it is common to use latitude and longitude. Latitude which is defined as degrees north from equator, and longitude which represents degrees west from the Greenwich meridians. So, sun transit outstage is defined as it is interruption or distortion of geostationary satellite signals caused by interference from the solar radiations. The effects last of 6 days around the equinox. It occurs for the minimum period of 10 minutes. Generally, sun outstages occur in February, March, September and October, and it is around the time of equinox. So, at these times, the apparent path of sun across the sky takes it directly behind the line of sight between the station and the satellite. It means as the sun radiates strongly at the microwave frequencies used to communicate with the satellites that represent C band, Ka band and Ku band, the sun swamps the signal from the satellite. The effects of a sun outstage can include partial degradation, then it increases the error stage or total destruction of the signal. So, at the end of this session, the learners can understand when does the eclipse understands it occurs, And when does the satellite enters into the eclipse, and what do you mean by subsatellite point, and what are the effects of sun transit outstage? Hope this session is useful to you, so the learners understood the stages of eclipse. Thank you.